Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, remove the screen protector or case because they can cause interference. If your case covers the bezel between the screen and the side of the phone, remove it so nothing blocks the screen. For the screen protector, if it extends to the edges or isn't placed correctly, remove it and apply a new one properly. When a screen protector isn't applied perfectly, it can make the screen less responsive or unresponsive. Next, clean your screen with a microfiber cloth to remove dust, debris, and fingerprints. Now wipe the screen thoroughly until it's clean. After cleaning, restart your phone. Press the power and volume up buttons, then swipe up to restart. As a last resort, update your software. Go to Settings, scroll to System and Update, tap Software Update, and ensure Wi-Fi is on. If an update is available, tap Download and install. If you're on the latest version, it will show version is up to date. I hope this video was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one.